For years, there has been a misconception that PVC pipes are noisier than cast iron in condos, to the extent that they will be a significant source of noise complaints. Let's explore the truth.
There is a misconception in the industry that PVC DWV is louder than cast iron, and that's actually not true at all. In May of 2019, IPEX hired HGC Engineering to perform sound measurements in high-rise condo buildings under construction just prior to occupancy where the bathrooms were finished, and compare that data against industry benchmarks.
HGC Engineering has over 30 years of experience providing acoustical consulting services to the Toronto condominium market. They've played a pivotal role in the city becoming the condominium capital of North America, with some of the strictest noise regulation standards in the world. They are members of the Professional Engineers of Ontario, the Association of Consulting Engineers of Canada, and the Canadian Acoustical Association.
My name is Brian Chabnick. I'm a principal and founder of HGC Engineering. We help developers to design buildings to help reduce noise concerns and to improve the acoustics in both commercial, institutional, and most importantly, residential buildings. People complain about lots of different noises in a condominium. They complain about sources outside the building, such as traffic noise from the street. They complain about noise from bars or pubs and outdoor restaurant patios. They also complain about sources inside a building. Elevators tend to be a source of noise. Garbage chutes are another source of noise. We don't find many complaints over noise from flushing into drain waste piping. The reason being mainly because that's a very occasional noise. It happens over a few seconds and then it goes away, and people tend not to be bothered by that. There had been studies in laboratories previously to try to compare cast iron and PVC. Those experiments had certain properties associated with them which were not necessarily representative of the as-built environment. So IPEX said, hey, why don't we go into real buildings and sample what kind of noise we're getting? We postulated this method of visiting buildings where the two different pipe materials were being used to go into the washroom above and the washroom below, and the levels that we measured during the study indicated average sound levels from flushing of approximately 35 dBA from cast iron pipes and 37 dBA from PVC pipes. So a difference of only 2 dB, which is imperceptible to most humans. And those levels are significantly below the 45 dBA target suggested by ASHRAE for maximum plumbing noise levels in bathrooms. Clearly, if the durability and the cost effectiveness of PVC pipes exceeds that of cast iron and the noise characteristics are the same, it's obvious to me which you'd choose as a building material.
So the report concluded that both PVC and cast iron were well within the industry benchmarks set forth by ASHRAE, and the difference between the two was virtually indistinguishable. So the report confirms that PVC DWV is perfectly suited for the application of high-rise condo buildings as it relates to acoustics. When you use PVC, there's a lot of additional benefits that you're going to get. First off, it's lightweight and easy to install. Second, the pipe won't corrode on you. So for example, if you're using the piping in a parking garage where you have salt water runoff, for example, well, the pipe isn't going to fall apart like a different material would. In addition to that, the pipe has very good thermal properties. In scenarios where you may have used insulation to prevent condensation, you may not necessarily have to do that with a PVC piping system. With IPEX, you're going to get a lot of technical support, whether it be building code topics with inspectors, job site support with contractors, or even specification support with design engineers. These are some of the reasons why the industry is moving towards using PVC DWV in high-rise condos today.